Demand for high-end models and cost-cutting paying off for GM. It was all sounding quite bullish, but what was the scuttlebutt on the earnings call? Yahoo Finance's Pras Subramanian was plugged in. Pras, what happened here?
Hey, Rochelle, another strong quarter for GM, big earnings, revenue beat here. Not sure why the stock's kind of a little bit weak here, but the company said it actually gained market share and is now the number 2 market leader in EV sales in the U.S. But this led GM to boost its full-year profit guidance following that strong Q1 result, now seeing adjusted EBIT of $11 to $13 billion, up from its prior outlook of $10.5 to $12.5 billion. So good news there. But a little surprise here on the call. Maybe this is what's going on. GM CEO Mary Barra indicating the end of the line for GM's popular Bolt EV. Take a listen.
We have progressed so far that it's now time to plan to end the Chevrolet Bolt EV and EUV production, which will happen at the very end of the year. When Orion EV assembly reopens in 2024 and reaches full production, employment will nearly triple and we'll have a company-wide capacity to build 600,000 electric trucks annually.
It seems GM is bullish on the arrival of its newest EVs, and that the coming Equinox EV, the Bolt isn't needed. On a slight down note, GM's business in China slipped a little bit in Q1. Here's what GM's team had to say about that.
China is in a period right now because of where the industry is and the number of competitors with the pricing challenges that will sort, and I think we'll be well positioned. We do have brands that have value in the country, and we're going to have the right EV portfolio there.
So that being said, my key takeaways here, let's first off start with operation strength. Better than accepted take-up rate of its voluntary buyout plan. Also cost controls with production seemingly back to normal. Secondly, the EV rollout seems on schedule. New battery plant announcement today with Samsung SDI means a 4th plant is on the way. And last but not least, GM's traditional business is still strong. Truck sales are chugging along. Customers ordering top trim levels for the Silverado and Sierra pickups. So in terms of a vibe check, I'm going with a 4, or I'm going with strong here. Strong, that's a 5, I guess. Good, right? Things looking good in 2023, raising profit guidance, EV rollout on track. The only real issues here are, will GM be able to replace those Bolt EV sales at the end of the year?